Hi everyone. We're now going to be looking at the two bones of the upper extremity, which are the first two bones off the appendicular skeleton, those which attach to the axial skeleton. The first two bones we're going to be looking at are the scapula and the clavicle. The scapula, also known as the shoulder blade, is an interesting bone in the sense that it forms a joint, and I'm going to say joint in quotations, as it moves up and down on the thorax. This is called the scapulothoracic joint. So the scapula moves up and down. As you elevate your shoulder, the scapula moves up, depress, the scapula moves down, retract, the scapula moves towards the spine, and protract, it moves away. If you look at the scapula, there are many bumps on it, and we're going to learn in the next section. Those are called processes, and these are our attachment sites for muscles. We can also see over here, this collarbone is known as the clavicle. It has a flared out end where it makes attachment to this large process here. This is called the acromion. So this is the acromioclavicular joint, the AC joint. And then where this end is kind of flattened on the clavicle, this makes contact with the sternum or breastbone. This forms then the SC joint or sternoclavicular joint. So the scapula moving up and down on the back of your ribs doesn't actually form a true joint, and we'll describe what that means when we get to the section on joints. But it has a lot of movement as you elevate and depress and protract and retract. The scapula moves up and down, forward and back, and in fact even moves on angles and tilts as well. Scapula and clavicle.